Reading 2 pages a pace of $7 every night, eh? I was young. You bowed to yourself in the mirror, stepping forward to applause a Nestle striking face. Hooray for the goddamn idiot. Hooray. No one saw, tell no one, books you were going to write with letters for titles. Have you read his F? Oh yes, but I prefer Q. Yes, but W is wonderful. Oh yes, W. Remember, your epiphany is written in green oval leaves, deeply deep, copies to be sent if you die to all the great libraries in the world, including Alexandria. Someone was to read them there after a few thousand years. A Mahamanvantara Pico della Mirandola like I, very like a whale. When one reads these strange pages of one long gone, one feels that one is at one with one who once